NASDAQ this week rise in value, reaching 20,446 and then bouncing back down, retracing all the way back down to the confluence of support. We can see that around 20,000. We have a horizontal line that has been crossing here, and we have an option trend line which is acting as a support. So this was a strong support level, confluence of support, where we can see that the price formed this indecision candle. After that, the price returned back up, reaching again 20,446, retraced back down and continued to rise in value on a Friday. Weekly time frame shows me a bullish candle. It was expected the price will continue to rise in value, and I have shared that inside the previous week analysis. You can watch that. Why? Because the price formed a bullish breakout, and it is forming this one as a bullish candle, which has been confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, which is a great signal for the bulls. Monthly time frame currently shows me a bullish candle. We have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. I will not make any conclusions, but for now the bulls are leading the way, so pushing the price even higher and higher. So 21,000 as the next target is probably possible during the next 2 weeks, but we will see on the lower time frame, weekly and the daily. Now the weekly shows me a bullish breakout which has been validated. The next target will be first of all going above this one, which is 20,400, and then reaching 20,000. This here an area is very wide space, so it is the best to go to the daily time frame to see what are the levels in between, if there are any. Now we can see this one, 20,446 is the next resistance that needs to be broken, where this week the price could not make a bullish breakout and validated this one, closing the candle above this resistance. Now we can see this will be another attempt where the price will try to make a bullish breakout going above, and we can see after the price formed this bullish breakout, it was invalidated with the next bearish candle. So this should not happen the next time when the price forms a bullish breakout above this one. What will happen, we will see each day by day, and I will share the details with the traders inside trading community. Inside trading community, I will share the details every day, which means every day I make the analysis like this now, and I'm sharing the details of where the price is heading, what is expected, what are the levels that I'm expecting the price will reach that day, and also following the markets. If you would like, you can also join inside trading community. The link will be below in the description. Now, before that, we can also discuss what do you think about this one. Will the price make a bullish breakout above 20,446? Above this one, or it will bounce back down again, like in this example, reaching again the support level, going even further down. You can leave your comment below this video so we can discuss about the details. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.